Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you're looking for a microphone that's amazing, especially for voiceovers, if you're recording stuff for work, or if if you're a musician and you like to record vocals or guitar or anything of that sort, highly recommend this one by Blue. This microphone is an incredible microphone because it picks up all the crisp, clear noises that you're going to come out with. And for me, it's been fantastic in regards to voiceovers. I absolutely love this thing. Whenever I'm reading something out loud, the voice comes out nice and clear. There is no sounds that are picked up from background noises. It's just absolutely perfect, especially if you're in an acoustic room like this is. I highly recommend this microphone by Blue. You will not regret it. It's amazing, and that's my point of view.